Transfer belt padded large black with side release buckle is an essential tool for patient transfers, designed to provide comfort and dignity to patients, as well as ensure safety for both the patient and caregiver. This padded transfer belt features a plastic side release buckle for easy use. The 6-inch wide pads offer a secure grip with 4 handle loops spaced for safe handling. Color-coded for quick identification in a rehab department, this belt comes in a size range of 40-64 inches in length, 6 inches in width, and 1 inch in thickness. Whether assisting with standing, walking, or transferring from one surface to another, this transfer belt is a reliable and versatile tool for healthcare professionals. Prioritizing the well-being and safety of patients, this padded transfer belt is a must-have in any medical setting.